Alright everybody, welcome back to another Journey's video. Today for you guys, I have my top 5 favorite slip joint knives. So if you were only able to keep 10, what would be the 10 that you'd keep? So I'm not making this an open tag or anything, I just thought it would be fun to do it. So I think I figured out my top 10 favorite if I had to keep just 10. So, and I might have a bonus one at the end, so maybe top 11. But I'll start off first. This Hen and Rooster Cattle Rustler Stockman. You can see right there. Excuse me. The back springs on it are flush, no gaps in it. Some kind of plastic handles, not too sure what they are. Nickel silver bolsters and pins. The bolsters are slanted. Got that super cool bull head shield. It's got great walking top on it to it. Got this nice looking clip point blade with a little swedge on the tip. Might be able to see right there in the light. Cattle rustlers. So, rustling cattle. It's got a nice sheepsfoot blade. Has a swedge on the top of it too. Just on the one side though. And then it's got the spade blade. So there's that one. And these aren't in any particular order. I'm just going through them. So just my top 10 that I would keep. Up next is this, probably my newest one. This is a Taylor's Eyewitness single blade bare head jack. It's got a spear point blade. It looks like it's got ebony handles. I'm not too sure if it is, but that's what it looks like. Looks like ebony. So I'll let you guys listen to the walk and talk on this. Got super great snaps, nickel silver bolsters and pins, and then again great fit and finish on it, no gaps. And then this is probably my favorite case knife I have. So this is my 1977 rail splitter. You can see it doesn't have any gaps right there on the blade, on the back springs or the liners. I'm gonna have to open this one off camera. So there's the clip point blade on it. It's got a great clip point blade. Like I said, from 1977. Getting some patinas on there. So let you guys listen to the snap on that. So there's the clip point. And there's the pin blade. Move up here for a second. So this is a Boker tree brand. Not too sure what this knife is considered. I don't know if it's considered like a cattle knife or a large spear point jackknife or something. But again, great fit and finish on it. Nice spear point blade. Got a good snap to it. Got the jigged Delrin or whatever plastic Boker used back then. There's that one. Got this 1964 Case sheepsfoot 31 jackknife. So again, it's got great snap to it. It's got the big long nail neck and great fit and finish. This one's in walnut. So nice sheepsfoot blade. Let you guys hear the snap on it. And then this is my 1981 Case one-arm razor or one-arm jack. So it's got that cool razor jack blade. It's got the long nail neck. It's got the long, kind of like a Barlow style bolster. It's got Appaloosa bone. It also has great snap to it. And then the spear point blade on it. And then out of my small case knives, this is probably my favorite small one. I love this Crimson Barnboard jigged bone. Really like the way that looks. And then I really like the sway back pattern. I like that Wharncliffe blade and the upswept handle. So it just feels really good. And it's got the secondary pin blade on it. And then this is another new knife. This is my Case Trapper from 1982. It's got the carbon steel. And it's also got Appaloosa bone. Got good snap to it, and got great fit and finish on it too. No gaps. And been packing this one a lot, so it's got pocket dust and lint in it. So good sheepsfoot blade, spade blade. And then got my GC Urban Jack. So this one, it's got kind of weaker pulls than what I like, but I really like this GC. I like a good main sheepsfoot blade. It's got great fit and finish too. Nice brass liners. And then it's got the comb as the secondary blade. Secondary tool. I don't know. And then last, my Case Chestnut Bone Trapper from 2011. So you guys have seen this one a lot. It's in chrome vanadium. It's probably my most packed case knife by me. So you can see that case shield and the bone's worn pretty good. Then you got the spade blade on it. And then this one too, it also has just great fit and finish. I think that Case was doing them right in 2010 to 2019. I think those were about the best case knives, really, if you're wanting all kinds of different colored bone. And then as my 11th one that I said at the beginning, this Queen Jumbo Trapper. So it's got the drop point skinning blade. It's got that great looking red bone handle. It also has great fit and finish. So, and great snap. I really like this big, huge spade blade that it has. So, there it is. Really like how big it is, so. There's my 11 knives. Was just going to be 10, but figured might as well go ahead and throw an extra one in there. So, there you guys go. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, give it a like. And if you want to, you guys can subscribe to my channel. Get me to 1,000 and we'll do a pretty nice giveaway. So there we go. If you guys want to, you can share this video, share it with your family and friends, tell them about GR knives. So hope you guys liked it, and I'll catch you guys next time.